Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, very good. Okay. Dear children, I welcome all of you in your English grammar class. And today, your ma'am is going to teach you preposition. Okay? Because in previous classes, we have discussed about pronoun, adjective, articles, and other grammatical chapters. Okay? But today we will learn about preposition. This chapter you can see in your English grammar textbook. Okay, this is the chapter number 8 and this chapter you can see in page number 53. Dear children, I am going to teach you preposition. Preposition means position words. In this picture you can see that there is a common ball and the ball is kept in different places. So the first question is in your mind, where is the ball? Where is the ball? Dear children, you can see that ball is in the first picture, the ball is inside the box. The ball is inside the box. Okay? And in means क्या होता है? में. Okay? So, the ball is inside the box means box के अंदर है ना? Box में ball रखा है. In second picture, you can see that the ball is kept on the table. This is the ball and the ball is kept on the table. Okay? In picture number 3, you can see that the ball is under the table. And in the last picture, you can see that the ball is near the table. So, dear children, today we will learn the concept of these 4 prepositions. This is in, on, under and near. These 4 prepositions we will learn today. There are many prepositions, but all the prepositions we will learn in different classes. Okay? But today we will clear these 4 prepositions in, on, under and near, and I am going to make you understand about all these 4 preposition picture wise. I am sharing the picture about these 4 preposition. You see and try to understand. So I told you that these 4 preposition in means में है ना या के अंदर, on means पर, अंडर मीन्स के नीचे एंड नियर मीन्स के पास या नज़दीक. तो हम ये 4 प्रीपोजिशन के कॉन्सेप्ट को समझेंगे. ओके? तो सबसे पहले आपने देखा पिक्चर में, यू ऑल हैव सीन दैट इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर द बॉल इज इनसाइड द बॉक्स. ओके? इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर द बॉल इज ऑन द टेबल. And in picture number 3, you can see that the ball is under the table. And in the last picture, the ball is near the table. Okay? So, by looking the position of the ball, you can use the different prepositions. Okay? By looking the position of a person or a thing, you can use the different prepositions. So, I would like to make you understand the definition of preposition. What is preposition? Okay? What do you understand by preposition? A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. Once again, a preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is are called prepositions. Okay, so it tells the position of a person, about a place, an animal or a thing, and this will be called the preposition. So you can see in different picture that there are 3 eggs. Okay, and where are the eggs? You can tell that the eggs are inside the nest. Okay, so in sentence, what can you say or what can you write? You can write the eggs are in the nest. Yes, the eggs are in the nest. You can see that these 3 eggs are kept in the nest. So, here you can use in preposition. Okay, now see the next. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. So, here for the ball, which preposition is used? By looking the position of a ball, the ball is in the box. Okay, so here you can use in preposition. Next you can see that there are 3 apples and the apples are kept in the basket. So what can you say? The apples are in the basket. Because there are 3 apples and all these apples are kept in the basket. So what can you say, children? You can say that the apples are in the basket. Okay, so in this way your in preposition is clear. I have cleared the concept of in preposition. Now you can see next one, that is the on preposition. You will understand about on. Okay, so you can see that there is a clock and the clock is on the wall. Okay, so on means क्या होता है? In Hindi you can say on means पर. Okay, and the clock is on the wall. Okay, you can see that here other things are kept on the table. So you can tell the name of that things and you can say that like a cup is on the table. Okay, a cup is on the table, and in this way you can say, you can see different things are also kept on the table. So you can tell the name of that things and you can say that things are kept on the table. Okay, so here in this picture you can see that the clock and the clock is on the wall. Next you can see next picture, there is a table and the ball, and what is the position of a ball? That the ball is on the table. Okay, the ball is kept on the table. So you can write or you can say that the ball is on the table. Okay, now you can see the next one, the next example you can see related to on, like the boy is sitting on the chair. The boy is sitting on the chair. You can see that there is a small boy like you and he is sitting on the chair. So for the boy, which preposition is used here? On. The boy is sitting on the chair because sitting is the position of a boy. So here on is used. Okay, so in this way I hope that your on concept is clear. Next, under means के नीचे. By looking this picture you can see that there is a boy and the boy is sitting under the tree. Okay, एक लड़का है और वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठा है. ठीक है, तो अगर वहाँ पे कोई भी बैठा होगा तो हम उसका नाम लेंगे और हम क्या बोलेंगे? इज सिटिंग अंडर द ट्री. ओके, So in this picture you can see that there is a boy and the boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting under the tree. So here under preposition is used. Now look at the next picture. Okay, you can see the next picture. This is of the ball, and the position of a ball is that the ball is under the table. So the ball is under the table. What can you say? Please repeat with me once again. The ball is under the table. Okay, so here under preposition is used. Now you can see that there is a pet and that is the dog. Okay, so where is the dog sleeping? The dog is sleeping under the table. The dog is sleeping under the table. So पिक्चर को देखकर आपको इतना तो समझ में आ गया है कि अगर टेबल के नीचे या बेड के नीचे डेस्क के नीचे कोई भी रहेगा, है ना, इफ वी विल कीप एनी थिंग्स और इफ देयर विल बी ए पर्सन और ए थिंग, देन वी कैन यूज देयर अंडर प्रीपोजिशन. सो पिक्चर को देखकर आप समझ रहे हो कि यहाँ पे अंडर का यूज़ किया जाएगा जब कोई बॉल या कोई डॉग या फिर कोई अदर एनिमल, ओके, किसी बेड के नीचे या टेबल के नीचे होगा तो हम वहाँ पे अंडर का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस अबाउट द नियर प्रीपोजिशन. नियर मीन्स के पास या नज़दीक. तो जब कुछ भी हमारे आसपास में होता है तो हम वहाँ पे नियर प्रीपोजिशन का यूज़ करेंगे. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर दैट देयर इज़ अ बॉल एंड द बॉल इज़ नियर द टेबल. ओके, सो व्हाट कैन यू से? द बॉल इज़ नियर द टेबल. ओके, सो व्हेन a person or a thing is near to you, there you can use the near preposition. Okay, जैसा कि ये बॉल टेबल के पास में है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? The ball is near the table. Okay, now in the next you can see in the next picture there is a car and the car is near the house. So what can you say, dear children? You can say that the car is parked near the house. The car is parked near the house. Okay, so कार को कहाँ पे पार्क किया गया है? तो the car is parked near the house. And in this picture, where can you see the pen? The pen is kept near the book. Okay, पेन कहाँ पे रखा है? तो बुक के पास में ही रखा है. So what can you say? Where is the pen here? The pen is near the book. Once again, the pen is near the book. Okay, so in this way today I have made you understand about the four preposition, that is in, on, under and near. As I have told also that there are many preposition like inside, outside, between, okay, and there are many. So you will learn about all that prepositions in different classes. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood today's class. All of you have understood about this four preposition in, on, under and near. Okay, other prepositions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.